This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in North Canton, Ohio 44,720 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.